Good afternoon, everybody. It's Dr. Baker. I'm here with Puspa, and Puspa is expecting her first baby. When's your due date?
September 21st.
September 21st. And this is number 10?
11.
First baby.
First baby.
Awesome. So we're going to do an adjustment, okay?
Okay.
So let's have you lie on your side first, Puspa. You're fine. And Puspa is complaining about tailbone pain. So the great thing about chiropractic here, when you're expecting, you don't want to take a lot of drugs or medications. So we're going to adjust her tailbone. We're going to bring her way over here. Take a deep breath in. All the way out. We're going to feel pressure right there. How's that?
So good.
Good. Now on this side. I'll leg is straight. This is great for lower back pain, spasms, cramping, sciatic pain. Take a deep breath. All the way out. Right. Perfect. Great. Okay, come on up here. We'll do your neck, okay? Let's put the right side over. Just relax. Perfect. Nice. Tell everybody how that feels. Great. Good job, Puspa.